We could ask the question, what was Pokemon? Pokemon was a show that used to be on the television. Some people used to watch it. There was 15 episodes that came out, and then there was some movies. There was a Super Secret 16th, but don't tell anyone. And then the Pokemon movies, the first episode, we could see the numbers here. Oh, we'll turn it to the side later, but we could see all the Pokemons on the side and the names. There was actually an anime TV show called Pokemon at one point in the world. And then movies came out. There was a Mewtwo versus Mew, Pokemon 150 versus 151, and then the 2000 movies came out with Lugia. And then Mewtwo returned because we thought Mewtwo was gone, but he was not gone. He came back. And then they finally released it. The Pokemon Pikachu video, which was the only Pokemon that mattered. And then the super secret episode 16 with the egg Pokemon that did not even exist at the time, right? The episode 16, which doesn't even exist. There's only 15 episodes. It ended at Charizard. So here, all these movies here, there's so many of them, right? All the movies, what are they? What was the first episode of Pokemon? I Choose You, Pikachu. If we turn it to the side, we could actually see it was episode 1. The Pikachu was on the side, and then we turned it and we seen what were all these characters that they released in this anime show, I Choose You. There was a human character and a human girl character, and then some weird creature on the bottom that everybody didn't even know existed until the show came out. And we had to catch them all was their slogan. They had a cool catchphrase, and there was the bad guys, Jesse and James. They were the bad guys of the videos, and then a whole bunch of different Pokemon you could capture. Exclusive offer, special bonus, full-length Poke-Rap at the end of the video. So, geez, what else is here? Can we read the story? I don't know if we could read it. It won't come in. Discover the amazing world of Pokemon. To become the best Pokemon trainer in the world, Ash Ketchum is determined to capture all 150 of these incredible creatures. And with the help of Pikachu, his very first Pokemon, Ash quickly learns that becoming a Pokemon master is the challenge of a lifetime. After a bumpy start, Ash and Pikachu work together as a team, just in time to foil Team Rocket's Pokemon stealing schemes. And once Misty joins up with our heroes, the excitement never ends. You got to catch all the action as Ash and company take us on an incredible Pokemon adventure. So it contains TV episodes, Pokemon I Choose You, Pokemon Emergency, and Ash Catches a Pokemon. So there's 3 episodes on here. What does that say? Pokemon in 150. Extraordinary characters with unlimited possibilities, collected and traded by children of all ages. So this was supposed to be a super ridiculous cool anime show where they released characters for people to collect. So now that we can see the episode 1 came out, and then they tried to make an episode 2, The Mystery of the Mount Moon. So they traveled to the mountains, and then there was that mystery creature again, and then a new creature in the humans again, and then another creature in the back with some crazy device where he's abducting the creature. So he just goes and abducts the creatures in the Pokeballs, the Pokemon, the mysteries of the Mount Moon. There's some more creatures on the back. Can we solve the mystery? Exciting adventures in the world of Pokemon. Pokemon trainer Ash Ketchum continues his quest to become the world's greatest Pokemon master. He's already caught 2 of the amazing creatures with the help of his very first Pokemon, the electrifying Pikachu. Together with the Misty, they'll travel across the land searching far and wide for all 150 Pokemon. He's got to catch them all to be the very best, so their journey takes them straight to the fabled Mount Moon. Legend has it that the powerful Moonstone is hidden somewhere deep in the mountain, never seen by man. But before Ash can unlock the mystery of the Mount Moon, he's got to defeat Samurai and Brock to win a Boulder Badge and foil Team Rocket's treacherous tricks. So there's Team Rocket right there. You could barely see them in the shadows. Defeat them and their tricks. It's all in a day's work for a Pokemon master in the making. Catch all of the fun and excitement of the greatest Pokemon adventures ever. So a full-length Poke-Rap again can only be found on Pokemon Video. So these you can't find them anywhere else. Officially, Nintendo contains 3 episodes. Challenge of the Samurai, Showdown in Future City, Clefairy and the Moonstone. So there's 3 different episodes on here too. And what is that device in his hand? It seems to be identifying the creatures. He looks so scared and terrified. Like, please do not abduct me. And they were all going to catch the creatures in this show. And then there was even more episodes. There's 15 of them. The Cerulean, the Sisters of the Cerulean City. We were missing an episode, right? We were looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't have episode 6. Episode 6 is missing. Episode 6, we don't know anything about that episode. But the Sisters of Cerulean City, we do know about that episode. It's the Pokemon, the Sisters of Cerulean City. So he's throwing those abduction devices to go abduct more Pokemon. And the girl in the background. And that stupid little creature there. So, Pokeball Go. Now there's 3 new 150 Pokemon. Unlimited excitement. So can Ash catch them? Catch them all? You bet. Especially with friends like these. Brock, the Geodude, and Onix at his disposal. The Pokemon trainer really rocks because he has rock Pokemon. And then Misty better not make a waves with this water Pokemon expert because she uses the water Pokemons. And then Pikachu, Ash's first Pokemon, has shocking powers beyond belief. Together they help Ash as he tries to fulfill his destiny of becoming the greatest Pokemon master of all time. The adventure continues with Ash and Pikachu facing their toughest challenges yet. Can they beat a rival dead set on winning 100 straight victories, no matter the cost? Holy, when school ends, the battles are just beginning at Pokemon Tech. The opponent standing in the way of the Ash winning a Cascade badge is the last person who ever expected to face. Plus, Team Rocket follows Ash every step of the way with one objective, the kidnapping of Pikachu. So these guys only want to kidnap Pikachu, his only Pokemon that he got, his very first Pokemon. And then a full-length Pokerap can only be found on this Pokemon video, suitable for all ages by Nintendo again. So must be some training devices or some kind of harnesses to capture the Pokemon and keep them under their control. So here we go. Jeez, 3 episodes. What's the 4th? This one was where all the starter Pokemon, the Pokemon friends. Pikachu still brushing his teeth. Wow. I don't even know what the show is anymore. It was cool, but I wish it would have taken off because then everybody would be watching it. But all those shows that never got anywhere. So then here we can see some more creatures in the back, some butterfly creatures, some other creatures with that main creature standing in the middle. We can see Poke Friends. So what is on the back of this one? What does this reveal? There's more of the creatures on the back. Huh, wow, so you can see the Bulbasaur, Charmander, and Squirtle. So are those the names of the creatures? It could be. Ash and his friends discover a spa for wounded Pokemon that is guarded by a brave Bulbasaur. Can Ash and Bulbasaur protect the spa from Team Rocket's evil plans? Ash finds an abandoned Charmander, and both of them learn a lesson in loyalty. Finally, Ash runs into a gang of delinquent Squirtle that have united with Team Rocket to cause trouble. Will Team Rocket ever go straight? So there's another full Pokerap only on this video too. So this has 3 episodes. Oh, we didn't check the episodes. What were the episodes on this one? Exclusive producers. Shows contains the Water Flowers of Cerulean City, the Path of the Pokemon League, so the School of Hard Knocks. So must be going to school with the Pokemons. And then here, there's 3 more episodes, right? Contains TV episodes, Bulbasaur and the Hidden Village, Charmander, the Stray Pokemon, and then here comes the Squirtle Squad. So you can see there's a whole bunch of creatures, and they keep popping out of the forests. There's some more of them, and the Thunder Shock, a whole new thing. So this one, everything's on fire. This was the fire episodes, the Thunder Shock. So there's another Pokemon facing a bigger Pokemon. Jeez, and then all the human characters. So what was this? The Pikachu versus Raichu. Oh, geez. So that's the basis of this episode. So when Pokemon evolve, they are almost always stronger than before. And for Ash to win a Thunder Badge, Pikachu must defeat its evolved form. Raichu, it's a Clash of Lightning and Pride. Later, Ash, Misty, and Brock embark on a pleasure cruise aboard the St. Anne, accompanied by other Pokemon and their trainers, but something seems wrong. Can the cruise be a Team Rocket plot? There's another full-length Pokerap, and it contains more TV episodes, The Mystery at the Lighthouse, The Electric Shock Showdown, and The Battle aboard the St. Anne. So here, there's another type of Pokemon here. Wow, there's so many types of Pokemon in these movies. Wonder what was in the other episodes. Holy jeez, we're only 5 episodes? 2, 3, 4, 5. Jeez, how many episodes was there? Was this show ever going to take off? Are they going to bring it back anytime soon?